So how can you add the screen recording to the control center of the iPhone 16 or essentially any iPhone? So it is pretty simple to do. You don't do it through the settings app, even though you have a dedicated control center menu there, but it doesn't really do much. Instead, what we're going to do is that we need to directly go to the control center by swiping down from the top right corner. And as we are here, we need to go and trigger the edit mode. This can be done either by clicking on this little plus icon in the top left corner, or you can hold with your finger somewhere in between the toggles, right? So you don't hold down on any individual one, you just hold down somewhere in between, and the toggles will go to the edit mode where you can resize them, reorganize them, and also remove those that you don't need. The crucial part is that at the bottom, we have a little button which says add a control. And when you click on this, you can add some new things which were previously not part of the control center. And in there, so many different things to click on. So honestly, I would just use the search bar, so you can just type in the screen recording and you can easily add it there, right? So that's kind of how it works. You just tap on this and it will then be as a toggle. Now, the thing about it is that you might just leave it as a circular toggle, but you can also grab the little handle and enlarge the screen recording button to a larger square. And this makes it easier to click, right? But obviously it just gets the same thing done. So it's just a little bit of a aesthetic thing and usability stuff. So yeah, keep it however you like it, but that is the option for you. Most definitely subscribe to this channel so you never miss anything important in the future. And I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials.